Budgeting for beginners. 90% of people who try budgeting quit within the first month. And it's not because they're lazy, it's because they start with the wrong method entirely. Most beginners open a spreadsheet, try to track every single rupee down to the last chai, burn out in 2 weeks and give up completely. That's not budgeting. That's punishment. Real budgeting is way simpler than what you've been taught. Start with just 3 categories: needs, rent, food, bills; wants, everything fun; savings, money that doesn't touch your daily life. That's it, not 15 categories. 3. A good starting split looks like this: 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings. You don't need to hit it perfectly on day one. You just need a target to aim at instead of guessing every month. Next, pick one number that actually matters: how much you can spend per day and still be fine. Not per month, per day. Because I have 12,000 left this month feels like a lot. But I have 400 left today is something your brain can actually manage in real time. Automate what you can. Bills on autopay. Savings moved out immediately. The less you have to manually decide, the less chance there is to mess it up. And here's the part nobody tells beginners: a budget isn't a strict rulebook, it's a feedback loop. You check it, you adjust it. You don't need to be perfect every single week. The goal isn't restriction. The goal is knowing exactly where your money goes on purpose instead of wondering where it disappeared to. If this made budgeting feel less overwhelming, subscribe, because next I'm showing you the exact app setup that makes this run on autopilot.